Ever been in a situation where you need to make an important call or send a text, but your iPhone is stuck in SOS mode? It's frustrating and you might think you're completely disconnected. But don't worry, there are a few simple tricks you can try right now to get your phone back online. We'll start with the easiest fixes and move to the more advanced ones. So stick around until the end to find the solution that works for you. Method number 1, the quick fix, toggling airplane mode. This is the fastest and easiest thing you can do. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. You'll see it disconnects from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and most importantly, your cellular carrier. Wait about 10 seconds, then tap the icon again to turn it off. Your phone will then search for and reconnect to your network. Many times, this simple refresh is all you need to get out of SOS mode. If it doesn't work, don't worry, we have a few more options. Method number 2 is resetting your cellular connection. This next step forces your phone to reestablish its connection with your cellular network. Step 1, open your settings app. Tap on cellular. Toggle the cellular switch off. If you have an eSIM, this is all you need to do. If you have a physical SIM card, this is where it gets a little different. You'll need to physically remove your SIM card, gently wipe it with a soft cloth, and then place it back in your phone. This can help clear any dust from minor connection issues. After a few seconds, toggle the cellular switch back on, or reinsert your physical SIM. Your phone should start connecting to your carrier. Method number 3, resetting network settings. Still stuck? It might be time to reset your network settings. This won't erase any of your photos, apps, or other data, but it will reset all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and cellular settings back to original factory state. Back out of the cellular settings, tap on General, scroll to the very bottom and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode, and after the reset, your phone will restart and you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices, but hopefully your cellular connection will be back to normal. Method number 4, check for a carrier update. Sometimes the issue isn't with your phone, but with your carrier settings. Let's back out of here. Tap on General. Tap on About. Wait a few seconds, a pop-up may appear asking you to update your carrier settings. If it does, tap Update. If not, your carrier settings are already up to date and this isn't the issue. The final step, the classic restart. This last step sounds almost too simple to work, but you'd be surprised how often a simple restart can fix unexpected bugs and glitches. Back out of here. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Shutdown. Once the screen goes completely black, press and hold the power button to turn your phone back on. This simple act can clear out a lot of temporary software issues. Give it a try and you might find your phone is no longer in SOS mode. If you tried all these steps and your iPhone is still stuck, it might be time to contact your carrier or visit an Apple store. But for most people, one of these simple fixes should do the trick. Did you know you can add a back button to your iPhone? Check out this video to learn how.